Welcome to the ultimate general knowledge quiz. What is the moon to Earth? A satellite. What is the main goal in the Pokemon card game? B. Collect cards in battle. How many bones are in the human body? B. 206. Where was Shakespeare born? B. United Kingdom. Where was ice cream first invented? C. China. 5 questions in. How many have you got right so far? Keep going. What is Venus often called? C. The morning star. Which food never spoils? B. Honey. How many years are in a century? B. 100. Who has won the most Grammy Awards? B. Beyonce. How many planets are in our solar system? A. 8. You're doing great. Let's see if you can keep the streak going. What color do you get when you mix red and blue? A. Purple. What is the length of an Olympic swimming pool? C. 55 yards. What's the tallest waterfall in the world? B. Angel Falls. What animal is on the Ferrari logo? C. Horse. Who was the first American president? A. George Washington. What's the capital of China? A. Beijing. How many days are in September? B. 30. What was Elon Musk's first company? A. Zip2. What's 9 times 9? B. 81. Who was the first emperor of Rome? C. Where was baseball invented? B. United States. Which is the most active volcano? A. Kilauea. How many legs do crabs have? B. 10. In which direction does the sun rise? A. East. What kind of animal is a bat? B. Mammal. What is the scientific name for salt? A. Sodium chloride. What is a diamond made of? B. Carbon. How many days are in a leap year? C. 366. What color are London buses? B. Red. Which planet is called the blue planet? C. Earth. What color is an airplane's black box? C. Orange. What is the currency of Mexico? B. Peso. Where is the Leaning Tower of Pisa? A. Italy. Which country is called the land of the midnight sun? Norway. What is the square root of 25? B. 5. Which fish produces caviar? C. Sturgeon. What is the largest hot desert? B. Sahara. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Bell. How many oceans are on Earth? A. 5. In what year was the first McDonald's restaurant founded? A. 1940. What is the tallest skyscraper? A. Burj Khalifa. Where is the Burj Khalifa? B. UAE. What's the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. How many pins are in bowling? B. 10. What is the hottest planet? C. Venus. Which country has the most islands? C. Sweden. What's the capital of Chile? A. Santiago. What do you call a ballerina's skirt? C. Tutu. Which painting is not by Leonardo da Vinci? C. And that's it. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.